So real quick, we are now in Animal Kingdom. So part 3 of 4 choice today.
3?
Yep. So we're making pretty good progress. We got Fast Pass for Expedition Everest. So that's where we're headed. And then we're going to immediately go get food after that in Pandora. And then we'll probably leave and head to Magic Kingdom after that. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this. Go ahead and get this Tree of Life. Maybe I did. But I also wanted to see the Tree of Life. The Tree of Life. Alright, so we are at Santilla Canteen Cafe. One of the two. And yeah. And so we got the 2 chicken bowls. I don't really know what they're called. And while we were out there, we were talking to one of the cast members who we did not get the name of.
I got her name. Her name is Taylor.
Okay, so her name is Taylor. And because we had just got engaged, she actually shared a magical experience with us and gave us not 1, but 2 desserts. So yeah, we get to try 2 desserts with our food.
So thank you, Taylor. We really appreciate you.
Yes, definitely made this a magical experience. And she wasn't even having a good day.
She still tried to make our day better, so we really appreciate that.
Alright, but we're about to eat, so let's eat.
We're at the Magic Kingdom. It's cold.
And that's why we wear jackets.
It's cold.
This place is well lit.
Watch your ankles now.
Well, these balloons are in the way.
Huh?
So these balloons are in the way. There we go. We're home. Waiting for me. Yeah, maybe it didn't.
Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Bring up the artist.
Begin with us.
There was lots of dancing and singing. And then, I'm getting out of myself. The story began when Ariel fell head over fins in love.
She's happy as on the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy, but the shackles they pull. But fish in the bowl is lucky.
This one growing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. Kiss the girl.
My oh my, like a boy too shy, gonna kiss the girl.
Ready to begin, let the one take hold.
We can draw you in. What's the moment unfold? Spark a dream that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow.
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
is lifted, and at last I see the light.
And it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real, and the world is somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see you.
Look inside yourself. You are that what you have become. Remember who you are. And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses and all the glory were changed by the way
We live every day, just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
So we're back in the room now. After the fireworks, we went and rode the carousel progress to kind of just warm up, and then
Tried to ride the people mover, but of course it goes down as soon as we get in line. So negative.
Yeah, so now we're back in the room. Today we actually tried like a whole bunch of new foods, I guess. Well,
a lot of new foods, like a lot of food for us. 'Cause I don't usually eat that much, but today I was just like really hungry all the time. So we tried a lot of new foods. We can just go kind of in order from where we started. So we started out today in Hollywood Studios. And the first new thing that we tried was the cran apple tart. I liked it. Not a huge like processed fruit fan, so I prefer the pieces that don't have like huge chunks of fruit, but like the frosting was really good, the crust was really good. For people who like apple pies, it kind of puts you in the mind of that. But I definitely eat it again. It was easy. It wasn't really warm, but it was soft, easy to eat, kind of a grab and go thing. The next new thing that we tried was the...
Dang, just gonna skip past me?
I guess, go ahead, I'm sorry.
For me, the tart was alright. I mean, like, it was still pretty good. I don't think I would necessarily, like, have to eat it again. Yeah, you really like I see you in the camera, right?
I was just waiting for you to look back at the camera.
Yeah, so now I lost my train of thought. Thanks a lot. Yeah, so for me, it's not really a must-have.
Right.
But yeah, moving on to the next thing, we tried
The grown-up lemonade.
They just gonna keep cutting me off.
Finishing your sentences.
That's not finished.
Finishing your sentences.
Dean say finishing
Your sentences. The grown-up lemonade is the next thing that we had, and y'all, the grown-up lemonade is like the best drink I've had in Disney World thus far. It was so good. Like, I don't know, it was just really good. I don't know how to explain it. It almost tasted like a cranberry punch, like with ginger ale or something like that, like a Christmas punch to me. You couldn't taste the alcohol at all, which is kind of dangerous. But it was so good. What was your opinion?
Yeah, so I definitely enjoyed it as well. I actually liked it more than the Moara Margarita from Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, it was better than that actually.
So yeah, it's definitely my top 2 drinks in Disney World. So
to the next part is Epcot. In Epcot we had the croissant donut. Oh, and it was very good. Very light. It was light without being like super light, if that makes any sense. It was like the perfect texture on the inside. The brown cinnamon sugar was very good. I would be really interested to try it warm, but they don't sell them warm. I don't know. I'd just be interested to see what it tastes like warm, but even cold, it was very good. Very simple.
Yeah, I don't know if it's just because I like cinnamon sugar, but yeah, it was definitely really good.
He loves cinnamon sugar, y'all.
Yeah, so definitely we could do that again.
Absolutely.
And maybe try even some of the other flavors. I know they had like chocolate with holiday sprinkles, and then they also had gingerbread one too. So yeah, definitely
with eggnog. There was one like with eggnog and ginger snap crumbs or something like that.
Yeah, it's a gingerbread one.
Oh, I thought it was an eggnog. I thought it was called like the eggnog, and it just featured gingerbread. I think eggnog was the feature. Gingerbread was just an accessory.
Who would eat an eggnog croissant?
Who would eat an eggnog drink? And here they are selling it. Okay, not an eggnog drink, but an eggnog custard. Custard. No, like they're actual like desserts, like custard desserts that people are eating that have like eggnog in it, like layered desserts with eggnog as a layer. I don't personally care for it, but a lot of people do. So I think it was covered in eggnog, and
there's an eggnog cream with gingerbread on it.
Gingerbread crumbs. So crumbs meaning that's like a little highlight. It's not like the major flavor.
So anyways, the next thing we had was an Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom?
Yeah.
Okay, so Santilla Canteen, Animal Kingdom. Josh and Taylor, they really went above and beyond today. Like, Taylor saw that we were newly engaged, and she asked us what dessert we wanted, and then she said she'd make it more magical and give us both. So we tried the chocolate dessert and then the blueberry dessert, and then Josh, just like from the time we sat down, he was like, whatever you all need, just let me know. He came back and asked how we liked the dessert. I told him I wasn't really feeling it, and he went and just got me a bowl of fruit. Like they went out of their way to make it an extra magical experience for us, and I really appreciate it. But on to the actual desserts that we tried. I didn't really like either of them, but I'm like not a cheesecake person. I'm not like a dark chocolate person. I like milk chocolate, and I like fruit like in its fruit form and not in its like, I don't know, not in like cake form. I don't know, it was a little too tangy for me. Like the blueberry, I don't know what it's called, we'll probably add it in somewhere, but the blueberry dessert was just too tangy. It had like passion fruit on it. They had like this little blueberry drizzle on the side. Like everything about it was just a little too tangy for me.
Yeah, so for me, it was a chocolate cake.
The chocolate cake was nasty.
Yeah, the chocolate cake wasn't all that great to me either. Definitely would not get that again. But to me, it was a blueberry mousse with like a little topping like mango fruit or something like that. Yeah, that to me that was good. And I'm pretty sure it was okay. To me that was pretty good. Like I said, it kind of resembled cheesecake almost. So since I like cheesecake, I was fine with it. Well, and fruits like that, so yeah, I was fine with it.
And then moving on to Magic Kingdom, which was our last stop of the day. We didn't try anything like spectacular or anything like that. We had churro for the first time, but y'all, I like churros. I understand now the hype behind churros, because originally I was like, it's bread with cinnamon on it. No, y'all, I don't know what they're doing, but it's good. Dip it in chocolate and it's even better. Like, it's just a really good snack, and I think I would get it like 7 more times this trip if I could. Maybe not 7, maybe like 3 more, maybe like 2 or 3 more times. Point of the story is it was good. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, the churros is definitely another win. Again, had cinnamon sugar on it, so
He liked it.
Yeah, can't go wrong with that. And I think that was all the new foods we tried.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we were going to try the cheeseburger and bacon macaroni and cheese spring rolls over between Jungle Cruise and Pirates. But by the time we made it in Magic Kingdom, they were closed already. So we're definitely going to try it before we leave. But we're going to try and get it tomorrow after we leave Crystal Palace. Well,
just so that y'all know, apparently the kiosk closes at 6, even though the park is open until 11. I thought that was kind of interesting. So just point of the story, not trying to be funny, but the point of why I said that is so that, like, if you're gonna go try something new, just check the hours, check and make sure they're open, because I decided that I wanted this cheeseburger egg roll and the macaroni and bacon egg roll when I was in Animal Kingdom. I'm excited. I'm walking over, we get there and it's closed. So just to avoid that kind of disappointment, like, check the hours and make sure that it'll be open before you waste time going from park to park or running to a kiosk that is not open.
Yeah, definitely do that. Other than that, I think tomorrow we're starting off in the Magic Kingdom, going to anyways, tomorrow we're starting off in the Magic Kingdom, going to Crystal Palace. I think our reservation's at 9:50, and then I think we have a couple of fast passes for
Space Mountain, Jungle Cruise, and another
Big Thunder.
Probably like Big Thunder or something.
Yeah,
like that.
so
they're all in the Magic Kingdom.
Yeah,
and they're pretty close together, so that'll be fun. But yeah, Crystal Palace is gonna be fun. It's gonna be an early morning. We're gonna try to get in the park early. We say we're gonna try to be there at rope drop, but it's already 12:30.
Yeah.
So I just don't know how successful we'll be.
We'll get there when we get there.
Right. We'll be there on time for the reservation.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah, we've had a couple of close calls.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Our track record with the breakfast, character breakfast isn't very good, but they've always let us eat. They always let us eat, but we have trouble getting on time to that. So we'll hopefully be on time tomorrow.
Yeah. Alright. Well, I think that's about it for tonight. We will see you guys tomorrow.
Wish us luck. Is that a thing? Are we gonna make that a thing? Are you gonna keep that footage in there?
Probably.
Oh, okay. Wish us luck.
Wish us luck, guys.